Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to extend battery life on Nothing Phone 4a. So first go into the settings and then go into the battery right here, battery saver, and enable battery saver. I won't do it right now because it enables some features that I want to show you how to enable manually. Then into the adaptive battery, and right here enable the adaptive battery. It will limit battery for apps that you don't use often. Then go back into display, and here enable adaptive brightness and the dark theme, or you can just lower the brightness level right here and lower the screen timeout to around 1 minute. Then into the lock screen, scroll all the way down and always on display. I recommend to disable always on display because it uses very much power. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.